Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. The volume in centimeter cube of the largest right circular cone that can be cut off from a cube of edge 4.2 centimeter is what? So let's say if this is a cube whose edge is given as 4.2 centimeter. So this is 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeter edge is given. Now what we have to do is we have to find the largest right circular cone that can be cut off from this cube. So this is only possible when the height of the cone will be equal to this edge of this cube. So we can say that the largest right circular cone that can be cut off from above cube is when the height of the cone is equal to the edge of this cube, which is equal to 4.2 centimeter. And also the diameter of the cone, the diameter of the cone, that is 2r, that must be equal to this edge of this cube, which is equal to 4.2 centimeter. If this case is possible, if this occurs, then only the largest right circular cone can be cut off from this cube. Therefore from here we can get the height. Let's say height of the cone we have assumed h. So height will be 4.2 centimeter and radius will be 4.2 divided by 2, which is 2.1 centimeter. Now what we have to find out is the volume of the largest right circular cone. Therefore if we know r and h, radius and height, then we can say that the volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now let us substitute the value of pi as 22 by 7 and the radius as 2.1 centimeter and height as 4.2 centimeter. Now the unit of volume is centimeter cube. So after solving this, we will get 19.4 centimeter cube. So this is our volume of cone, the largest volume of largest right circular cone that can be cut off from this cube. So 19.4 is option D. Therefore we can say that the answer is option D.